three circles are tangent to each other and have as other centers the vertices of a right triangle with side lengths 6, 8, and 10 centimeters. Express the combined area of the three circles in terms of pi. So this problem seems a little mind-boggling at the beginning, but let's start by drawing it out. We have three circles, all tangent to each other. That's pretty close. Boom, perfect. Okay, and their centers are the vertices of right triangles. So these centers, they're going to be like the corners of right triangles. So we're going to have it be this as the right angle. And so the side lengths are going to be 6, 8, and 10. This is a pretty cool shape. Express the combined area of the three circles in terms of pi. So we need to find what the area of this is, and the area of this, and the area of this, and then add them all together. So what you'll notice here is this one radius is part of the 10 and the 6. This radius here part of the 6 and the 8. This radius here part of the 8 and part of the 10. So what if I call this radius A, this radius B, and this radius C? Then I could say A plus B is equal to 10. And as you'll see, I'll be able to create a system of equations since each thing's involved in each radius is involved in two edges. So I have A plus B equals 10, A plus C equals 6, and then I also have C plus B equals 8. Now there are a few ways you could solve it from here. I'm just going to show you one of the ways that I like to do. So if I have A plus B equals 10, I could solve for A in terms of C and then put this C in terms of B. So then when I plug this back in here, I'll have everything in terms of B. So solving for A over here, A equals 6 minus C, and C equals 8 minus B. So now when I plug in for A over here, I get 6 minus C plus B equals 10. And then I plug in for, again, remember this is negative C, not C. And I say, in this case, minus 8 plus B. Then I have to add the 6 and the B and get 10. So now I have minus 2 plus 2B equals 10. 2B equals 12. B equals 6, and now we're almost done over here. This biggest length right over here, this is 6. That means that C equals 2, because something plus 6 is equal to 8. And then we also have, if C equals 2, C plus something needs to equal 6, A equals 4. And we need to find, now we know the radiuses of the circle, we need to find the combined area of the circle. So remember, pi r squared, that's the area of the circle. So we're going to have 6 pi squared, or pi 6 squared plus pi 2 squared plus pi 4 squared. That's going to be 36 pi plus 4 pi plus 16 pi. That right there, that's 40 pi plus 16 pi. This is a lot of writing. That's 56 pi. And that right there is going to be our answer. Since this is area, we're just going to say 56 pi units squared, because they didn't give us any units, but this is our answer. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.